For getting 1 million coins of reward from hamster kombat, the today code is Ethereum. First of all, you need to understand that the black circle means tap and the dash means hold. Let's start how to earn 1 million coins. Click on the earn per tap. Okay, I'm just typing Ethereum word as the instruction given by me in the start of the video. You should to follow that, and I'm just writing the Ethereum word now, as you can see on your screen. Okay, so I have just tried it will be just completed in a while. Okay, so I have completed it and I can take the price of 1 million coins now. As you can see, my coins is increased by 1 million.